Imagine your computer as a bustling office building. Each core is like a worker and threads are their tasks. The more workers you have, the more projects can be done at the same time. But what happens when each worker can also juggle multiple tasks at once? That's the magic of cores and threads, and understanding their difference is the key to unlocking your device's real performance. Let's break it down. A core is a physical processing unit within your CPU. Each core can handle its own workload independently. So, when a processor is advertised as quad-core, it has 4 of these units working simultaneously. Now, a thread is the smallest sequence of programmed instructions that a core can manage. Through a technique called hyperthreading or simultaneous multithreading, each physical core can handle multiple threads, allowing it to switch between tasks faster and more efficiently. Think of cores as chefs in a kitchen. More chefs mean more dishes can be made at once. Threads are the dishes they're cooking. If a chef can cook 2 dishes at a time, hyperthreading, things get even more efficient, at least up to a point, but more is not always better. A higher thread count won't always translate to performance boosts, especially in software that isn't optimized to use them. That's why gamers, video editors, and streamers often debate the perfect balance of cores and threads. For example, many games benefit from higher clock speeds and fewer, faster cores, while rendering software or virtual machines love having more threads to divide heavy workloads. Choosing a processor with the right mix depends on what you do. If you're gaming, 6 to 8 fast cores might be better than 16 slower ones. If you're editing 4K video or running dozens of tabs and background processes, threads become your best friends. So, next time you're shopping for a new CPU or upgrading your rig, don't just look at numbers. Look at what they mean for your real-world tasks. How many cores and threads do you think your workflow truly needs?